wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab with another banger for you guys. Yeah man guys, you see what we do today, yo, that mafia, you see me? Yeah, we got Jquan back in our building with Still a Fight. You see me, I say, I'll check it out, so what my deal with Jquan. The last song we reacted from Jquan was what, Bogus and Chopper Gospel, and those songs was pretty lit. You know what I'm saying? It was pretty lit, especially Chopper Gospel, you know, it was going crazy. And everybody seemed to like Jquan, so we want to check out and see what else he got in store. You see me, and keep our eye on the dark rise in the dance hall, you know what I'm saying? So you don't know what time it is, yo. If you're just a journey, make sure you hit that, yo, make sure you do the right thing and hit that like and subscribe button. You see me, I say, make sure you do the right thing, you see me, I say. And from your heart clean and you're in a bad mind, you see me, I say, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. But anyway, yeah man, we're gonna check out Jquan, see what I do today. Jquan come up in the dance hall right now, you see me, I say, and dog vibe mad, you know what I'm saying? Chopper Gospel dog one. You see me and Bogus that going someone straight that I did still a fight. So like it's gonna be something different. We don't know. Let's see what he got. You know what I'm saying? So we don't know what the vibe much longer. The jump with this Jquan Still a Fight, let's get it.
Jonas, I hear that.
Yo, yo, kid.
It's gonna sound like you're gonna be on some sentimental type stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Da 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 da. It's like da 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 da. But same was talking at the dark, I'm still a fight. Don't know if I clear my mind, I feel feel a vibe. I know my open eye cloud with a split for light. I know my mates got fire like it take a flight.
Yeah man, dog singing on this one. I like that, like the vibe with the one. Come in, man. Yeah man. Come on, let's go.
You know like to get like da 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 da. It's like da 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 da.
Oh dog, when I Black Air Force, dog come with that Black Air Force energy, I go.
Da 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 da, da da da. He knows. Yo, frost your foot, I don't give a fuck right now. Higher for that, give me a cup right now. You know my feelings, I'm up right now. Why? We lift me higher.
Oh, yeah, me man, I like the vibe. I like the flow upon the one a bad man. Come in.
Give me a lighter. Oh fuck, you got it, bro. I got bitches on my phone line. Calling you only.
What kind of door that? Me need one of them door there. You see me? Me need one of them door there to lead to a bank. You see me? I say, come on.
Leave me alone, but I don't trust these bitches. I'm a killer, yeah, I know life. I know life. But the person I don't know I can't trust nobody, been a meet failures for my whole life.
Man, you need to talk to somebody about that. Man saying the person you don't know why. That's not a good thing, me G. You need to go, find out why, go and get to the root of that. Man.
But I roll up tight around everything when my love and I rock it like a boat ride. But still my don't cry. Confirming all the Gideon, my G, me been a fight for my whole life. Chop a phone, crown rise. Now I'm cruising on the highway and make music for the whole.
Man, you have a firm Gideon, man. I can't lose it, you know what I'm saying? You have a firm and strong like this, man.
But I'm still feeling fire. We lift me higher. Give me a lighter.
Shout out to the Mary Jane, you know what I'm saying?
It's like da 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 da. It's like da 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 da. It's like da da da.
Just a vibe out and I sing from his soul for the one man. You see me coming. I say I need one of these doors to lead to a vault of money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. They do the bad man. Where you let's do it. Yeah, man. Dog doing thing on the one, the money. You see me, I say? Yeah, Jquan, dog, they pon you way on dog forward, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That was real dope track, guys. Wanna think about it one day. You see me, I say, let me know in the comment section. how y'all feel about Jquan, and you know what I'm saying? How you feel about this one? And make sure you go check out Chopper Gospel and Bogus as well. Let me know what you think about those songs as well. You know what I'm saying? But what y'all know, think about Still a Fight. This one a bit different. You know what I'm saying? Still touch upon a little bit of champion, a little bit of girl thing, and but the mostly basically saying depending journey, they still a fight and still a go through struggles. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, but yeah man. I don't think about the one here, I don't think about Bogus and Chopper Gospel as well. Go ahead and drop it in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let's chop it up, guys. If you like it, definitely show the artists and love and support, making us a Jambisco and sending. You don't know how we do it over here, so yeah man, guys. Yeah, you don't know, drop a request. If your request chosen, go and get your shout out, all that, man. And you know, we still growing over here, still moving, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we on the road to 10K, guys, so hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know, new month, I try to hit 1,000 subs for this month, guys, so you don't know, like up the video, them share the video, them boy out, just do the right thing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, till next time, you don't know about Jambisco here when I hit and smash and banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.